Hello Spartans, welcome back to Spartan Spotlight episode 18.
I'm your new anchor, Kim Rodriguez.
And I'm Carson McWhorter.
Happy Women's History Month, love all my women out there. The RMHS Wellness Center is hosting an anxiety workshop on Wednesday, March 15th, where students go and learn more about anxiety, aromatherapy, and coping skills to deal with anxiety, which will be located at the Wellness Center.
There will also be one on Friday, March 17th in Spanish, so make sure to attend those since there will be snacks, fun, activities, and strategies provided.
We have a wellness peer, Amelia Quintana, here to tell us more about this.
Hello, my name is Amelia Quintana and I am one of the new wellness peers. In collaboration with the AOP, the Olympus team will be hosting an anxiety workshop. Learn about coping skills, aromatherapy, and dealing with anxiety. We will be doing fun activities, strategies, and snacks will be provided. Sign up by scanning the QR code. The date is March 15th during 5th period. El próximo viernes, el 17 de marzo, vamos a tener un taller de ansiedad en español durante periodo 5 en el Salón 102, en el Centro de Bienestar. Hay una encuesta en nuestro Instagram para registrar. Durante el taller vamos a aprender más de la ansiedad, la aromaterapia y estrategias sobre cómo lidiar con su ansiedad. Si tiene más preguntas, puede preguntar a Señora Castillo y Señora Tomaseri en el Centro de Bienestar. Please check out the Instagram at Spartan Wellness for daily activities in room 102. They'll be there every day at lunch.
Do you know we have 2 new counselors this year?
No, I didn't.
Let's find out some more information with Miss Gomez.
Hello Spartans, I'm Mrs. Gomez from the counseling department. We've had a couple of changes this semester and we would like to introduce our new counselors to you today.
Hi, I'm Ms. Farias. I'm the Academic Intervention Counselor for 9th and 10th grade students. I have met most of my students, but if I haven't met you yet, we will be meeting soon. My office is located in the main office next to Dr. Gill's office. So if you need anything, I'm here to support you, and I hope for you to have a great year. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Ms. Linus and I oversee last names Na, N-A-W, to last names Rom, R-O-M, and I am also located in the main front office right next to Dr. Gill's office, and I'm looking forward to working with everyone, and I hope everyone has a great rest of the year.
Students, we are so thankful to be a part of your high school journey. We encourage you to get to know your counselor. We're here to support you and want to wish you a successful school year. Keep working hard and have a great day.
The elective fair that was happening on March 10th has been moved to March 16th this Thursday.
It will be during lunch in the quad. Make sure to show your support.
Spartans, on March 24th, the Spanish dance will be happening in the quad. Make sure to purchase your tickets as it will be a lot of fun.
You can buy your tickets at the ASB window. There will be special senior pricing for 2 days, so make sure not to miss it. If you're a senior and you need a guest pass, make sure to see Ms. Erickson at the ASB window.
Good morning, my name is Sal Maria.
Hi, my name is Maricela Elatori.
Springtime is almost near, and Rio Mesa will be hosting their first ever student and staff Springtime Class Competition Olympics.
ASB has created variety events for students to participate in. The competition will take place during 4th and 5th period and at lunch.
You may only sign up for one event. Have a current 2.0 GPA and either a passing grade in either 4th or 5th period.
We will be releasing it via ASB IG, and if not, it will be also going out through email.
Looking forward to a friendly but competitive series of events. May the best class win.
Spartans, on March 30th, we will be having an open house during the time 6 p.m. through 8 p.m. for incoming freshmen.
Seniors, if you haven't ordered your cap and gown by now, you need to. You can order them from Jostens. Remember, if you don't order your cap and gown, you can't walk at graduation.
Also, make sure to buy your Grad Nite tickets as soon as possible because the amount of tickets is running out. The last day to purchase Grad Nite tickets is on March 15th. Spartans, the College and Career Center is hosting the 38th Annual Career Expo. It is on Friday, March 17th at 9 a.m. through 12:30 p.m. inside of the Oxnard Performing Arts Center.
It is open to all 11th through 12th grade students. See Miss Robbins in the College and Career Center if you're interested. Spartans, our yearly CAASP testing will be March 20th through the 31st. We will be on block schedule except for on Friday, March 24th and March 31st, we will be on our regular collaboration schedule. On the week of March 20th, juniors will do the CAASP testing in English.
On the week March 27th, juniors will do the CAASP test in math as well as the CAASP test in science, and seniors will also do the CAASP test in science.
There will be a building and construction presentation on March 14th during 6th period, which is open to all grades. You can scan the code that's shown on screen for more information about this event.
The Point Mugu Air Show is happening on March 18th and 19th, and they're looking for volunteers to help work the booth for them. If your Clever Sports team is interested, I would definitely look into it. They're paying $15 an hour per student, which can go to school expenses like prom tickets and Grad Nite tickets, etc.
Spartans, in order to attend prom and run for court, you need to have a 2.0 by March 24th. If you are interested in running for prom court, there will be a meeting on March 29th for people who are interested.
You'll be able to purchase your tickets during March 30th through April 14th. The tickets will be shown on screen.
That's all for the news this episode.
Stay tuned for sports and weather.
Welcome Spartans to our 18th Spartan Sports Center. My name is Rodney Adams.
And my name is Kevin Gutierrez.
Tennis will have a match against Oxnard at Oxnard on Tuesday, March 14th at 3 p.m.
They will also play Santa Barbara at Santa Barbara on Thursday, March 16th at 3 p.m.
Good luck, guys. On March 8th, the boys baseball team tied with St. Bonnie 2-2.
This Tuesday, March 14th, boys baseball will play versus Pacifica here at Rio Mesa at 3:30 p.m.
On Friday, March 17th, they will go to Pacifica to play them once again. As always, it will be at 3:30 p.m.
Good luck, guys.
On Monday, March 13th, boys golf will play Calabasas at the Calabasas Country Club at 12 p.m.
After that, they will play versus Buena at 1 p.m.
Good luck, guys.
On Tuesday, March 14th, the boys volleyball team will go to Ventura to play them. JV will start at 5 p.m. and varsity will follow them up at 6:30 p.m.
On Thursday, March 16th, they will head over to Dos Pueblos to play them. Once again, JV at 5 and varsity at 6:30. Good luck, boys.
The softball girls beat Valencia 8-2. What a great and dominating win.
Our girls softball team will play Pacifica here on March 14th.
Both teams will play at 3:30.
They will also play Santa Paula on Wednesday, March 15th here at Rio Mesa.
On Friday, March 17th, they will have a rematch against Pacifica playing here at Rio Mesa. Once again, all games will be played at 3:30.
Good luck, girls. On March 14th, the girls beach volleyball team will play Dos Pueblos here at Rio Mesa. Varsity will play first at 3 p.m. and JV after at 4:30 p.m.
The next day on March 15th, they will play Wainimi, also here at Rio Mesa. And the next day after that, they will play at Oxnard on Tuesday, March 16th. Varsity will play at 3 p.m. and JV at 4:30 p.m. for both games. Good luck.
Track and field will have a meet on Thursday, March 16th at Dos Pueblos, starting at 3 p.m. Good luck to everyone participating.
That's going to end off the 18th episode of your Spartan Sports Center.
Thank you for watching and have a great day.
What's up, lads? Welcome back to another weather episode. This week's weather won't be pretty lucky, but you will. Now let's hop right into it. Alright, Spartans, for your week is going to be pretty cloudy with some showers along with it. Monday to Wednesday will be the rainy days. So for Monday, we'll be having a high of 61 and a low of 43. Tuesday, a high of 59, low of 49. And Wednesday, a high of 60 and low of 47. Alright, and then for Thursday and Friday, we'll be having cloudy days with highs of 61 and 59 and lows of 48 to 50. For your weekend, it's going to be pretty cloudy. We're going to be having highs of 63 and lows of 49 on both days. Alright, Spartans, and that's going to be it for your Lucky Weather episode. Hope you all stay safe, stay cool, think green. And Celsius, sponsor Andy Vlogs, please.